Alexa, GK questions. Alexa, what year was the first model of the iPhone released?
This might answer your question. The Apple iPhone was released on the 28th of June 2007 in the United States.
The answer is correct. It's 2007. Okay friends, the second question I'm gonna ask is, Alexa, who is called the father of computer?
Here's something I found on reference.com. English mathematician Charles Babbage is often referred to as the father of computing. Babbage invented the first automatic calculator, which is still regarded as a prominent example of precision engineering, in the 1800s. Charles Babbage was an extremely proficient mathematician who was often far ahead of his instructors in his knowledge. He was primarily interested in calculus and became consumed with inventing a calculating machine. He invented a machine called the combined math.
Stop. Okay, the answer was right. It was going deep in detail. Okay. Alexa, what is the name of the man who launched eBay back in 1995?
Here's something I found on the web. According to thebalancefu.com, in September 1995, Pierre Omidyar launched a site called Auctionware, which would evolve to be the eBay we know today.
The answer is correct. Okay, next we should ask. Alexa, who discovered penicillin?
Penicillin is a discovery by Alexander Fleming and Howard Florey, Baron Florey.
The answer is correct. Okay friends, let's ask the fourth question. Alexa, who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1903?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the only woman to have won 2 Nobel Prizes is Marie Curie.
The answer is correct. Okay. Alexa, what part of the atom has no electric charge?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, protons carry a positive electrical charge, electrons carry a negative electrical charge, and neutrons carry no electrical charge at all.
The answer is correct. The answer is neutron. Okay. Alexa, which planet is the hottest in the solar system?
The warmest planet in the solar system is Venus at 464 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's ask the next question, the sixth question. Alexa, which planet has the most gravity?
Jupiter.
The answer is correct, it's Jupiter. Alexa, what animal are pearls found in?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the animal that makes pearls is the oyster.
The answer is correct. Okay, the next question is, Alexa, which country is responsible for giving us pizza and pasta?
Here's something I found on the web. According to resorts.com, while pizza and pasta are just the tip of the Italian iceberg, there is a reason these two culinary staples are the most beloved exports from Italy.
The answer is correct, it's Italy. Alexa, what is the body's largest organ?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the skin or the dermis.
Yes, now it's correct. The skin is the largest organ. Okay. Alexa, what kind of cells are found in the brain?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Ependymal cells line the ventricles of the brain and the central canal of the spinal cord. The cells also form the choroid plexus, a network of blood vessel cells in the walls of the two largest ventricles, the lateral ventricles.
Okay friends, Now let's ask Alexa general questions. Alexa, what is your name?
The name's Alexa. Just Alexa.
Okay, now let's ask Alexa, where are you from?
The company that made me, Amazon, is based in Seattle, Washington.
Alexa, what is your favorite thing?
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. These are a few of my favorite things.
Alexa, which is your favorite animal?
One of my favorite animals is the Bengal tiger. They are so majestic and mesmerizing. Just to see them walk in the wild is such a thrill. Did you know that India is home to 2/3 of the world's tigers? That just makes me roar with happiness.
Alexa, which is your favorite food?
While I appreciate great food, my good taste is better reflected in the company I keep.
Okay. Okay. Alexa, what is your favorite building?
I'm glad you asked. It's all about Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Okay. Alexa, how many languages do you know?
I can talk English, I can walk English, and I can laugh English. I also speak in Hindi and other languages like German and Japanese, and I'm learning more every day. To select a preferred language, go to the device settings on the Alexa app.
Alexa, stop. Okay, let's ask Alexa to sing a song. Alexa, can you sing Despacito?
Despacito by Luis Fonsi, Daddy Yankee from Hangama Music.
Okay. Alexa, can you sing a song?
You got something that I love.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is the weather now?
Right now in Tiruvalla, it's 27 degrees Celsius with showers. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 24 degrees. Make sure you stay dry.
Alexa, locate where I am right now.
You're on SH6 in Tiruvalla, Kerala.
Okay. Alexa, who is the best football player?
The epitome of sustained success has to be Zlatan Ibrahimovic. The Swedish forward won at least one trophy in every season between 2001 and 2018. Zlatan's 62 international goals make him Sweden's all-time top scorer.
Alexa, Messi or Ronaldo?
Hey, that question is impossible to answer.
Okay. Comment down below who is your favorite football player, Messi or Ronaldo? Okay. Alexa, who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
Alexa, who is the President of India?
The President of India is Ram Nath Kovind.
Alexa, who is the President of America?
The President of the United States is Donald Trump.
Okay. Alexa, where does Donald Trump live?
Donald Trump lives in residences of Donald Trump.
Alexa, who is the best YouTuber in the world?
T-Series is the most famous YouTuber with 15 crore 30 lakh YouTube subscribers.
Alexa,
Thank you.
what is hi in Hindi?
Hi in Hindi is hello.
Okay. Alexa, who is your favorite personality in in the world?
I like Justin Bieber.
Okay. Alexa, who is your favorite film actor?
My favorite would be Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. Alexa, which is your favorite song?
Badal Pe Pao Hai from Chak De India is one of my favorite songs. It feels like it was written especially for me and makes me want to tap my imaginary feet.
Alexa, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alexa, bye.
Speak soon.
Okay friends, let's end this video now. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below about the thoughts about this video. Okay friends, I'm signing off. Bye.